Hi YouTube, hi everyone. I just wanted to show you something really quickly. I went out to I bought a second utility box from Poundland just to make something for my niece. So I had this one already, and then I bought the glitter hearts from Poundland, and I made this gift embellishment freehand using these gold cardstock. And so then I made one today, so they're gonna have some diamonds that I'm making right now inside, and a few other things. This is the one I just completed. This is holographic stickles. You can't really see it, but it's this one. It's £2 from Amazon. It arrived yesterday. I don't know why you can't see it, but in real life it looks so nice. It's like holographic. So can you see it now? Anyhow, I've got a diamond pen inside, and something that she made herself. So just turn that off. So there's another present embellishment that I made. So on the inside, I hope she doesn't watch the video. We just got us something that I made, and then something that she made with my help. So a child made that. She's 3.5. Well, with my help. And then I made this a long time ago, and she liked it when she played with me the other day, so I just gifted it to her, and then that crystal pen, and then she can fill the rest of the box with things that she likes, that she has already in her house. So now, let me just show you what I'm working on now. Yeah, so you just got a glimpse there, a cheeky glimpse there. So I've just finished making this, and you would be shocked what the blue center of that is. I'll show you 1 second. So I don't know if you checked out my other video, so you might not know. So it's this glitter foam sheet. It looks so nice in real life. So it's wet. The diamantes I stuck on with my favourite jewellery glue, using a cocktail stick and diamantes. Then this one I just stuck onto hard card. I'm going to decorate it later. And this one I just made today, this morning. Wasn't sure, should I cut off the tail feather for the bird or not, and that's just white gel pen. So, and then this one had, you know, the glue, this glue is quite strong, well actually very strong, so it pulled away the colour from the packaging. So then I just stuck a pearl embellishment on there. Then I'm going to go around with diamantes later. Then this one I made, that's got dry flower in it. And then this one is a paper flower that I have to decorate. And anyway, this is so nice. It's glitter glue, heavily impregnated with holographic glitter, which when this runs out I'm going to make my own, because I've got the holographic glitter which I got as a gift, and then for my birthday many moons ago. And then so I'm going to use Claire glue and glitter when my stickles runs out. So Those are made last time. That's from my niece, my tiny pendant, and that's my opal, my first one ever I made. So I've got another one of these. This is also foam sheet, but it didn't come out so well. You can't see as much glitter. I don't know what I did wrong there. But this one came out fine. I'll lift it off. It's really nice in real life, so shiny. And now the stickers make it look nice as well, super shiny. Well, it's better in real life. I don't know why you can't see it. Oh, there you go. See, that's better. But now you can't see the glitter, but I suppose that's right. And then there's this one, but it's inferior compared to the blue one. I'm not sure, maybe I used resin glue or something. Glossy accents because the glitter's not as pronounced as this one. Anyway, I had to go out for a walk today and I was really nervous because I hadn't left the house for a while, and then it makes you all, I don't know, do you get frightened or something? I'm not really sure what happens to you, but I felt like I didn't want to leave the house, so instead of leaving I was like pondering around the house looking for things to do, looking for a pillowcase even though I could have found one later. This staying thing is hard, man. Yeah. Anyway, take care. Try to go out as much as you can so you don't feel odd when you eventually go out, because you turn into like a, is it called a hermit? Yeah. And then when you try to go out, it's super hard, difficult. I like staying in anyway, making things, but everyone needs exercise. Okay, see you, take care, sorry for rambling on. Take exercise, please. See you, bye.